Rainbow passage. When the sunlight strikes drops in the air, they act as prism and form a rainbow. The rainbow is a division of bright light into many beautiful colors. These take the shape of a long round arc, which the pair. When the sunlight strikes drops in the air, they act a prism and form a rainbow. Hi, I'm Melanie. Before the surgery, when I spoke, and the people said, "Oh my gosh, she's not a girl, she's a stranger," and that for me was very difficult in my life. Now, after the surgery, I'm very happy because I can speak without fear. I can speak is natural. For me, this is very important. I'm very happy. I wanted to thank you, the clinic Ye송um성center에서. I wanted to thank you, Jessie, for this support. I wanted to thank you, the doctors. I wanted to thank you all. Thank you. Thank you so much.